Hello guys, I'm Paris the options guy and welcome back to my channel. And markets recovering this week, right? And as you guys can see, as I said, markets need to go down fast from here. If they are stopping over here, that means something is wrong, and then we can see some sort of a recovery, right? But still, markets are at a very crucial level right now. Either from here we'll see a recovery or we'll see the continuation of this previous bearish trend, right? So both Bank Nifty and Nifty have made good candles, right? A kind of a pause candle, you can say. So as Bank Nifty has taken support from this range, Nifty has also taken support from a very crucial level of 18,800. Now what we can do for next week is very simple. Talking about in the daily charts in Nifty exactly taking resistance from this zone, right? If you see, this zone was very important. I mean, this zone is very important, and Nifty is exactly taking resistance from that zone. Same thing with Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty has also not taken resistance, but Bank Nifty has stopped near this zone. The previously which was a support now has become a bit of a resistance, right? One thing to note is that FIs have a very big short position in the futures, right? And index futures right now in the market. So they need to either square off their positions or something. They know something that we do not know, and because of which markets are gonna fall a lot, right? But one thing to note is Dow Jones. Just look at this rally in Dow Jones, right? Dow Jones gave a breakdown over here below 32,800. 32,800 was an important level, right? And Dow Jones, if you see, gave a breakdown, but that breakdown was fake, and from there Dow Jones has recovered almost like actually more than almost 1500 points from there, right? Same thing with Nasdaq also. Nasdaq gave a breakdown and that was fake, and from there it started to move. And same thing with S&P also, right? So either the FIs are trapped and they need to square off their positions, or they know something that we do not know. But I think I would go with the the fact that they are trapped, because Dow Jones has moved up a lot, right? And they might have made their short positions thinking that Dow Jones will now go down, but it did not, right? So anyways, what can we do over here is very simple. Now if the FIs have to square off their positions, right, they will need to bring the market down. They will need a lot of sellers. Where will they get a lot of sellers is over here. If you see, there is a breakdown failure that could happen over here, and a lot of people will go ahead and start selling in the market again, thinking that the market is now at a resistance, and now market has taken resistance from this important zone, and now it is going to go down, right? And if you see, there is also this trend line coming. So what could happen in the coming week is that either market will go up till 43,500, take resistance and break this trend line over here, break this trend line and break this zone, go down, and then start to move up, right? Because a lot of people will start selling as soon as this zone or this trend line is broken, and that is where the FIs will get a lot of liquidities to square off their short position, right? And then the market will start to move up very fast, right? Because I mean, if there is a breakdown failure over here that has happened, right, market will not go down again instantly from here, but Dow Jones will not again fall down 1,000 points from here. If that also has to happen, Dow Jones will need to either take some time over here, give some sort of a consolidation, or make some sort of a price action first and then start to go down, right? Because market cannot move like, again, market cannot move 1,000 points. That for that to happen, it is kind of a very less probability thing to happen, right? So these are the two trend lines, right? But what could happen most probably, right, if tomorrow we open flat, right? If tomorrow we open flat and start crossing today's low, right, 43,230, 200, if we go below these levels, do not go in and take a short position. Watch out for 43,100, because maybe what might happen is market might come down till 43,100 and then again start moving up, right? Because FIs have to take square off their positions, or else so if they want to square out their positions, they will first bring the market down, and then they will go ahead and start to square off their positions, right? But some maybe tomorrow itself market, what could happen is that we could open with a gap up, and then we could see some sort of a resistance being taken at 43,500 to 550, and this is the place where we can also go ahead and take a selling position, right? Because what might happen is that first first we could go up till 43,500 and then we could come down again. We could come down till this level, show everyone that the market has taken resistance from here, and then once the market looks like it has become negative, right, then maybe we could see again a up move from here, because then the FIs will get a lot of sellers, right? So basically we need to find places where everyone will become bearish, and once we get that place, that is when we should start seeing signs of or start finding buying setups, and from there we should go ahead and take a long position. One thing, as I said, is 43,200 to 230, right? This zone will be very important tomorrow. If we open flat and start crossing on the downside this level, watch out for price action near this zone. If you are seeing bullish price action being made, right, if you are seeing bullish price action in 5 minutes, go for a long position from here. If you want to wait, you can wait till 43,100 also. Once we get to 43,100, you can also go ahead and take a long position over here with maybe a 80 to 100 point stop loss over here also, because chances are if we go down till 43,100, a lot of people will think that this is a breakdown failure and they will start shorting the market, right? Once that happens, market will get a lot of sellers, and then we could see again an up move from here, right? So that is something that you need to keep in mind. If you open flat and start crossing, you can take a trade over here for 100 points, like below 43,280, you can go for a 100-point trade over here. But I would recommend to not go and take a short position unless we go below 43,100. So 43,100 is a very important level. Do not go ahead and take a short trade unless we break 43,100. Once we go below 43,100, that is when we'll get a confirmation that yes, the market has become bearish, and then we can go ahead and take a short position over here, right? If you open with a gap up somewhere near 43, 400, 450, all these levels, you can go ahead and take a short position in the zone that I've marked over here, right? Anywhere above 43,500, once you start seeing negative price action being built, you can again go ahead and take a short position till 43,300, right? You can go ahead and take this contra trade, because if you are opening with a gap up and going up, chances are FIs will again go ahead and sell near this range to show everyone that the market is taking resistance, and they will try to average at higher levels, right? Because now their average will get a bit more ups, on the higher side, and once the market comes down, right, they can go ahead and square off their positions even more faster, right, or at higher levels also, and then we could again see an up move from there, right? So same thing, at higher levels we can go ahead and take a short position. At lower levels, once we see some market doing some sort of breakdown, we need to go ahead and take a buying position, because if the market had to go down, it already had a lot of chances to go down, right? Market could have gone down tomorrow itself, because a lot of people would have gone ahead and bought above 43,000, this basically this zone, right? So market could have trapped all of those people and started to come down from there itself, right? FIs could have made more short positions, pros could have proprietary traders could have made more short positions, and we could have come down very fast from there also, right? Again, back to like 43,000 on all these levels. But we are not coming down. That means either the FIs are trapped, and so we can go ahead and take a short position we'll go ahead and take a short position only once we go below 43,100, and then we can go aggressive. But until then, we'll need to wait for market to show us some sort of a kind of a trap setup, and once we do get that, then we can go ahead and take a bullish position in the market, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see, has gone above this zone. This zone was very important for us, right? And Nifty has kind of gone above this zone, and yes, there was kind of consolidation both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but the price action in Nifty is not really that good, and so we could see a bit of choppiness in Nifty and not so much in Bank Nifty, right? So we will focus a bit more on trading in Bank Nifty for the coming days, or maybe at least for tomorrow, unless we get proper levels in Nifty. Because if we even go and buy above 19,270, you could expect a bit of momentum, but there are good resistances at just a bit at higher levels, and so you may not get such a good momentum in Bank Nifty, right? On the downside also, unless we go below 19,120, we will not go short in Nifty. 19,120 will be an important level to be watched out for. Until then also, we can go ahead and stay bullish in Nifty also, right? Because this level is very important. So if we are again coming down below this level, a lot of people could go ahead and start taking a short position, because this level could indicate a breakout failure. And so a lot of people might go ahead and take a short position below 19,200. So if we go below 19,200 and you're not seeing good selling coming in into the market, and if you are seeing any sort of a positive price action being made, or any sort of a, like a bullish setup that you use, go ahead and find those bullish setups over here below 19,200 and then go long from there. We can again go long from there till first target of 19,270, 280, and then we can also keep very, even higher targets for the coming days, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today. Even if we again, if you open the gap up above 9, say at 19,300 and all those levels, find try to take short position near 19,320 and all these levels, and then you can square them off till at 19,270, right? So I guess that was it for today. And in weekly charts, it looks like the market is taking support, right? I'll go into the weekly charts again, just give me a second. Yeah, it looks like the market is taking a bit of support over here. But looking at Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P, right, all of them have given breakdown failures, and this candle is a very strong candle, right? If we are making some sort of a candle like this, chances are we will continue this up move, and Dow Jones could go back till 35,500 also in the coming weeks. So looks like the FIs are trapped, and if they are trapped, they will bring the market down one time to square off their short positions, right? Chances are that they may square off their short position tomorrow itself at the opening, but if even that happens, we will get to know that tomorrow itself, right? So yes, at lower levels, try to find out setups which are showing bearishness in the market and go long from there, because chances are FIs will square off their short positions, and once they do short covering, we will see very big candles in the market, right? I'm talking, just give me a second. Yeah, I'm talking up moves like this, right? These will be very easy for the market to do. So if you find, as I said, I've given the levels, if you find market taking support from those levels or making bullish setups on those levels, go ahead and take a long position, and at least try once, right, to take long positions at those levels, because then we can most probably expect the market to move up a lot from those levels, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.